One of the top performing crypto coins available right currently is bitgert, or famous known as Brise. In fact, bitgert keeps on being the coin to watch out for this week, as crypto specialists have estimate the demise of 2 or 3 zeros. This high is possible given the bitgert bull bounce back this week. The year 2022 has been a leading edge year for the blockchain stage bitgert and its local Brise coin. In this video, we will discuss bitgert, Brise, and in particular Brise cost expectation for 2023 to 2025. A ton of our perusers have mentioned us to survey the venture and give our cost expectation. Furthermore, here we did the very same. As of January 31, 2023, the Brise token is exchanging around $0.0000003318. Will Brise be a decent hold in 2023? How about we continue to peruse the send-off of the blockchain mainnet for the bitgert organization, which added savvy contracts and the capacity for decentralized applications, implied the organization's impressive headways as of late. From that point forward, bitgert has seen an enormous number of dApp discharges, from non-fungible symbolic trades to decentralized monetary conventions. Bitgert. What's going on here? Bitgert professes to be a zero-cost gas charge blockchain, fundamentally a shrewd agreement stage where engineers can construct apps. As indicated by bitgert, their blockchain can handle 100,000 exchanges each second, with practically no charges. Engineers can construct decentralized applications, unhindered development, paying little mind to cost and security. Next to shrewd agreement, you can compose marking contract, make DeFi applications, and mint NFTs on this stage. Be that as it may, when we click on those connections, a large portion of them were clear. History of bitgert was first presented on the Binance Brilliant chain, and it paid out motivations utilizing Binance Coin. The venture's arrangement expresses that bitgert at first appeared in July 2021 with the presentation of its site and the situation of its local Brise coin on Binance's DEX flapjack trade. Prior to changing its name to bitgert in December 2021, the task was once known as bitrise. The greatest headway in the blockchain undertaking to far came in February 2022 when bitgert presented its local Brise chain, which was upheld by the BRC20 Savvy contract. On the bitgert organization, engineers can now make dApps because of the presentation of its own blockchain network. To give speedy block times and reasonable expenses, the Brise chain utilizes a strategy for confirmation of authority. As well as being interoperable with the Ethereum virtual machine, the Brise chain highlights savvy contract usefulness. On the Brise chain, designers can make wallets and other dApp-related devices, make new tokens, work full hubs to get continuous updates on exchanges, blocks, and agreement exercises, and run full hubs to run new tokens. A huge piece of the innumerable undertakings that have surfaced on the Brise chain might be credited to the coming of the organization's hatching program, bitgert Startup Studio. Brise coin. What's going on here? In the bitgert organization, Brise is the local token. On the Binance organization, it was first delivered as a BEP20 token. The coin was changed into the local Brise chain token following the presentation of the Brise chain. Clients will get marking impetuses in BUSD when they stake their Brise. Moreover, the Brise dApp wallet, which has no exchange expenses, involves the Brise token as a shared installment technique. By taking out the requirement for a broker, it empowers direct trade of cryptographic money expenses among purchaser and merchant. The Brise coin is currently a more helpful token to hold, thanks to the stage's expansion of a repurchase thought to cryptographic money. The buyback technique increments financial backers' certainty to purchase and hold the coin, thus intending to raise the to its cost and request. If a deal happens, a part of the buyback charge paid is used to purchase tokens from the liquidity pool, which are scorched immediately after the purchase. It's not excessively hard to buy bitgert. Brise. The bitgert group really simplified it for digital currency financial backers to buy the token. Notice the accompanying 3 stages. Making a record on a digital currency trade that upholds bitgert is the initial step. Bitgert, Brise, is accessible on various trades. Some are referenced above in the graph. Lay out a profile with them. Depositing cash and sync to, store fiat or BTC, or USDT in the wake of opening a profile on the trade that best suits your requirements. Purchase bitgert in the third step. You can now buy $Brise with the cash that has proactively been kept into the record. Bitgert, Brise, buy is a clear method. Ace tip to purchase bitgert. Purchase Brise from KuCoin or Entryway. Purchasing from PancakeSwap or decentralized trades, will collect 24% misfortunes to lose 24% to savvy contracts purchase from KuCoin interface given previously. Brise is anticipated to reach 0.0001369470741 United States dollars by December 2023. Least cost for bitgert for 2023 could be 0.00002981473 United States dollars. Bitgert value estimate 2024. Brise is supposed to contact 0.0003969854006 United States dollars by 2024. Min Brise cost in 2024 is 0.0000146467458 United States dollars. Brise value forecast 2025. Brise cost expectation for 2025 in United States dollars in the middle, between 0.0004245833161 United States dollars to 0.00011507906 United States dollars. Max Brise cost forecast 2025 0.0004245833161 United States dollars. Min Brise cost expectation in 2025 0.00011507906 United States dollars. Brise value expectation in United States dollars year-wise. Maximum value forecast of Brise in 2030 is 0.0002885995285 United States dollars. Minimum value forecast of Brise in 2030 is 0.0001064785746 United States dollars. Brise cost forecast in INR year-wise. Bitgert Brise is a digital money that is supposed to see fluctuating costs before very long. In 2023, the most extreme cost for bitgert is anticipated to arrive at 0.00113557659 INR, and the base cost is supposed to be 0.0002471211431 INR. By 2024, the most extreme cost for bitgert is assessed to ascend to 0.0031758832005 INR, while the base cost is supposed to be 0.0011717396671 INR. Over the course of the following couple of years, bitgert's cost is supposed to keep on ascending, with the greatest cost arriving at 0.02308796228 INR in 2030, and the base value expected to be 0.00851828597 INR. In spite of the changes, bitgert is supposed to see consistent development in its worth throughout the following couple of years. Brise value focus for impending months. Brise is anticipated to do a 2x in February and walk 2023 from the ongoing cost. Max anticipated cost for April 2023 is 0.000074210863114 United States dollars, while the base cost could be 0.000046555533013 United States dollars. What will Brise presently bitgert